So that is the main objective of making this session. So on behalf of the ISC Department of Mechanical Engineering and the Startup Coordinator, I, Dr. B. Vijay Kumar, and would like to invite Mr. G. Raviteja, who is a successful startup founder, to give the motivation session on startup. So, Mr. G. Raviteja, sir, just I will hand over the session to you. Please
Sir.
welcome you.
Yeah. Hello. Good evening, budding professionals, upcoming professionals, and sir, my dear sir. Happy to see you all. Feel free and don't think this is a 1 hour session. Whatever we have, it is very much. I think it will be useful and helpful to you. Not only in a point of motivating, but also you will get a lot of ideas and you'll get a lot of roots. I can tell properly. So the thing is, myself, I'm Ravi Teja. I'm a founder and CEO for Cat Skills, and I'm the head for the Candid Cat BN Reddy branch. And I even own Sloka Technologies, even Sudhis Mobility. So actually, I'm into these four categories. Before entering into this startup, like I have started my career in 2014 actually, and I completed my BTech from Vardhaman College, JNTU Hyderabad, in the year 2009 to 2013. The same way like mechanical engineering. In those days, we usually go to the colleges and listening, writing the assignments, and then preparing for the exams. That is the casual thing happened in my BTech level. And later on, I before like starting this motivation session, I want to tell about my past, and then how it has I'll tell you even milestones, like a successful thing, what happened in my life, and what are the things have been made to change my career, everything. I'll going to share my experiences. So feel free, and if anything, like if you have any doubts regarding anything, you can ask me. Don't think that I'm from the different category. Like, you just think about that I'm your senior, so that you can easily talk, and I can feel comfortable also. The thing is, yeah, I completed my BTech in the year 2013. So I used to go college normally, and I never used to study. I'm a purely backbencher, but I'm very much interested in making of things. Making of things is like, I used to get all the things in from different places, like motors. I used to check, I usually have all the tools, so where I can do all the mechanical works. And I used to sit for a long time in front of servicing center, so that I can see how the things are going to happen. So most of the time I used to stay in workshops, in practical sessions in our college also. In my college, I used to stay. I'm having a good attendance in labs, more than classes. So what happened? What motivated me is like same like your sir. I had a sir in my BTech time. His name is Srinivas Reddy and Manoj Kumar, and these two sirs helped me a lot. In those days, my HOD used to tell, do something, do that, this, like that. So after that, in my fourth year, I did my project. Like, I did solar project, solar electrical water pump. I got some confidence, like why can't I do this type of projects, like, which is very useful to the society. So like that, I started doing research on different categories, like free electricity department. Like, sir, you are from the mechanical background, and why you did this electrical project? You'll be having a question mark. But the first project I did was electrical water pump, which is very much useful to the agriculture purpose. So basically, we'll be having all the like, normally many farmers use it to, like, there is a lot of problems in like water pumping system and all. So I got some idea from there. So I did my a small project in my fourth year, and later on after that, meanwhile I did some of the courses like skills, whatever are required in my BTech. So everything I did. So I came out from the BTech successfully, like with the 70% of aggregate, and I completed all the courses. Even I completed projects, internships, and all. After my educational thing background, and after that, after I am having an idea that I completed my BTech May 15, 2013. After that, after 2 days, I started roaming all over the Hyderabad to search jobs. Like almost, I went to different places like Kukatpalli area, Serlapalli, here nearby Shemshabad, and nearby this Uppal basic places. Almost, I went 80 to 90 companies for a job after my BTech. Like after completion of my entirely subjects, means after completing of exam on May 15, 2013. After that, after 2 days, that is on 17th May 2013 onwards, I just went all over the Hyderabad. About 80 to 90 companies I tried of job. Like somewhere people will be asking about the skills. Somewhere people will be asking about the percentages. There will be a lot of cutoffs. So that made me like think twice and think about my future. Like I got like I got a lot of frustration when I approached this different companies. So after that, at last, with reference, without reference, I went to different companies. There, nowhere I got the job. So what I decided is like people every day I used to come from the companies and I used to write it on a diary that what happened today and what are the mistakes I made and what are the problems I'm facing. Everything I used to write on a diary. So every time if I like after going another one after another company, I used to check what are the things I have like problems I faced before. So like that, I use it to change it all the things, whatever I'm having the faults. So later on, after some days, I got opportunity in CanderCAD, like a normal trainer. So there, I was like just like a one chance. If I get a one chance, I want to prove. So after searching all the companies, I got one idea. So if we have a skill, if we have a talent or if we have something in our mind, it is very much easy to get jobs. But after getting into the company, like in 2013, within 2 months, I got the job after searching 80 to 90 companies. And then I started my career as a trainer in CanderCAD. And there I used to see, I had a lot of time and I used to see the things. So if I do job in a small company or in a normal medium based or MNC, what I will get? So here I thought I got a good like there's a it's not a good thing. It's a I got a big question mark whether if I want to buy a like if I want to be in a good position, what I need to do. So like everyone, I did the same. Like I completed my BTech. I got a good percentage, and later on, I went to different companies, and there also I found some of the problems. I rectified it, and at last I got the job. It's fine. So that's it. Is that enough to me? No. So I decided to do something. What I need to do. So just going 9 to 5 job, 9 to 7 or 9 to 5 job, is that fine to me? My age is too less. What should I do? So later on, after searching all the things, I got clear idea. Why can't I go into this startup? Why should not I start the company? Why should not we manufacture and things and useful things and why not we need to sell it in the market? So like that, I got some of the question marks. Whenever you get the question marks, obviously you'll get the answers. I decided, suppose I started my career with 6,000, and in 2013, so I did my good performance in my company. I started with 6,000, and later on it comes like it doubled, tripled. So up to my career, I made up to I drawn 24,000 in 2 months, 2 years, and after that, in that company only, I changed myself, and like one step by step, I did many researchers, and I published a lot of papers, and I did some research on what the things are needed to the society, and how we can able to make money with that. So like that, I got some idea. So after that, I started slowly making, because in my BTech time, we used to go and work in labs, but not that much of perfection. So I used to go in my weekends. I used to go to the welding shops. I used to go to the lathe machine working workshops and all, and I learned some of the works there. And my first project after my BTech is generator, which works with the help of mechanical system. It doesn't require any of power supply. Like basically, to generate electricity, we need a source like petrol or diesel, or else whatever we have inverters in our places. We'll be using that technology. But I used to do. I used to work, and whatever the money I get from that company, I use it to keep on these researches, like making of some like getting some of the products, and making some of the products. So like that, I started doing some of the small innovations. So like that, I made one generator. It comes that idea came from in 2014. We got a ORR, where from Gachibowli to Shamshabad, there are no lights at all, because there is a lot of problem if we keep electricity. Like we cannot provide electricity. Now it is totally like in the night time also it looks like morning. Before in 2014, there was no light from Gachibowli to Shamshabad, where people used to have a lot of troubles. I used to stay nearby uh, Rajendra Nagar. So I used to go ORR. So meanwhile, I got some idea. So why the reasons of not keeping any street lights here? So there, I after doing some research, I got to know that there is a lot of problems if we like there is no source of electricity, like normal wires or whatever the thing. So if we keep generators, we need a lot of sources like petrol and diesel. So I decided what we can do. So using of this mechanical system with the help of gravity and all, so I made a one project, which is like after I made that one, and I published that to some of the corporate nearby, and I showed that to the government. They appreciated me, and they asked me to do some more products like that. So next project I did gravity light. It is also made from the without any source, with the help of gravity only it will work. So like that, I started doing researching on different categories. Then after that, I made one the other motivational thing is like I made a three-wheeled electrical bike, which is solar based one, which works totally on solar energy in the morning time, and in the night time, whatever the energy we got from the sun, we will be using